फर्स्ट 4 एपिसोड्स रिलीज्ड इन मार्च। डिज्नी हॉटस्टार की मसालेदार सीरीज शो टाइम के रिमेनिंग एपिसोड्स शो करने का टाइम आ गया है। तो पावर डायनामिक्स कितनी और कैसे शिफ्ट होने वाली हैं, किसकी तरफ शिफ्ट होने वाली हैं, अंदर की क्या खबरें हैं, वी हैव द क्रिएटर सुमित रॉय एंड द डायरेक्टर मिहिर देसाई टू स्पिल सम बीट्स, आई एम होपिंग। तो वेलकम बोथ ऑफ यू वंस अगेन।
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
थैंक
सो
यू।
मच निधि।
सो यार, मुझे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ सीरीज जो what I liked about it is कि it is not necessarily exposing Bollywood, not telling us anything that we did not know already, but telling it in a light के अच्छा ऐसा होता है, ये औरों के साथ भी हो चुका होगा, और people in the industry probably relating it to themselves. So thank you for that.
वेरी ग्लैड यू लाइक इट। हमारा हम
Yeah.
जब ये कहानी पुट टुगेदर कर रहे थे तो हमारा एफर्ट था कि इसमें इस शो में जो भी इंसिडेंट्स होंगे दैट आर ऑल ड्रॉन फ्रॉम रियल लाइफ और फ्रॉम थिंग्स दैट हैव हैपेंड टू अस, बट वी वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट इट इन अ वे व्हिच इज फन एंड एक्साइटिंग फॉर द वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड, सो होपफुली वी हैव मैनेज्ड टू डू दैट।
यस यू हैव। अच्छा, मार्च में हमारी जब बात हुई थी सुमित, आई रिमेम्बर कि आपने कहा था कि मैंने तो एक कहानी कही है टुगेदर विद माय टीम ऑफ राइटर्स, जिसको मिहिर ने विद द एक्टर्स एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम बड़े अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया। अब इट्स अप टू द ऑडियंस नाउ कि वो उसको कैसे परसीव करती है। नाउ विद द 4 एपिसोड्स आउट ऑलरेडी, लोग अब इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि भाई बाकी के भी एपिसोड्स दे दो हमें, किस्तों किस्तों में मत दो। नाउ व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से, अभी क्या बोलोगे रिस्पॉन्स के बारे में?
I think what we have seen is that a lot of people in the industry have reached out to us and said कि यार तुमने तो मतलब बता दिया जो होता है which is very gratifying because one of the things you're always worried about is कि आपके अपने इंडस्ट्री के लोग इस शो के बारे में क्या बोलेंगे। तो
राइट।
वो रिस्पॉन्स तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है and I've seen a lot of very spirited discussions about a lot of things which we've shown in the show about insiders versus outsiders, all kinds of issues on social media जहाँ पे जहाँ पे कुछ जगह जगह पे हमारी सराहना भी की गई है, कुछ जगह पे ये भी कहा गया है कि ये लोग ऐसे नहीं दिखा, पूरा पूरा सच नहीं दिखा रहे हैं और भी होता है। बट लाइक आई सेड लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो, हमारा अपना एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, वी हैव पुट आवर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आउट एंड आई थिंक शो का सक्सेस ये है कि इट इज एबल टू प्रोड्यूस दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस where people are talking about it and having a passionate point of view saying कि ऐसा होता है ऐसा नहीं होता है। बाकी ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री, बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लोग हैं, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ ओपिनियंस होंगे, तो सबके सब कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है। But I'm very glad that we are getting the kind of engagement and the kind of conversations we are getting, very passionate conversations around the show.
या एंड मोस्टली बाहर जिन्होंने ये दुनिया नहीं देखी है उनके लिए तो इट्स लाइक अरे ये तो वही है जो हमने, जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा था, गॉसिप मैगजीन्स
Hmm.
में या आजकल सोशल मीडिया में जो हम पढ़ते हैं। बट फॉर द पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री टू से एंड कम आउट थिंग्स लाइक जो आपने भी बोला, दैट्स कमेंडेबल। बट मिहिर, जैसे शुरू में लास्ट टाइम बात की थी हमने, यू सेड हमने 3 पॉइंट्स दिखाने की कोशिश की है। वन इज द इनसाइडर वर्सेस आउटसाइडर, जो स्ट्रगल एक चलता है। दी अदर इज द पावर डायनेमिक्स, जब एक औरत एक इसमें आती है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी भी देयर नॉट मेनी वुमेन इन दैट काइंड ऑफ लेवल। तो यू
Yeah.
थिंक कि जिन पॉइंट्स को लेके आपने शुरुआत की थी, इट इज डन जस्टिस टू इट?
Well, it does justice to it when you see the whole show together. So there is a clear graph in each character, and we do touch upon the fact that when, say, Mahika, for example, when she's in the position of power and she comes in, she has a way of living life, she has a way of doing business, she has a certain ideology which people just shun because of who she is, and she has the baggage of being an outsider, being a woman. That's why people sometimes don't listen to her, they corner her. But now you will see her sort of take a stand even more clearly. And she's also come to a state that if I take a certain stand, if I say something to people, if they judge me for it, so be it, but this is what I'm going to do. So that was fantastic to sort of work on. Uh, but I hope now when they see all of it, they'll get the picture much clearer now.
राइट राइट। सो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि यार अभी कहानी जहां पे छूटी है वहां पे जो 3 मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं अगर हम लेके चले, तो एक तो हो गए रघु, जो अपने आप को भगवान समझते थे, अब थोड़ा सा ही कम डाउन टू अर्थ। एक हो
Hmm.
गई मिहिका, हु स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम अ वेरी डोसाइल पर्सन टू अ वुमन इन पावर। और तीसरे हमारे अरमान साहब हो गए, जो कहते हैं भाई खुदा तो यहाँ पे जो एक्टर्स होते हैं वही होते हैं।
हाँ.
अभी क्या होने वाला है आगे के एपिसोड्स में? इनके कैरेक्टर आर्क्स जो है ये आसमान में आने वाले हैं कि नीचे धरती में आने वाले, कितना बता सकते हो सुमित?
थोड़ा सा ही बताते हैं क्योंकि मजा तो एक्चुअली देखकर डिस्कवर करने में ही है. But I will say this about Raghu's character: in the first part of the show, we've seen him as someone who's very brash, very aggressive, and he is driven by this wound. His father never gave him the respect and the love that he feels he deserved. In the second half, we will see a very, very different side of him. We will see him thinking, "Ki kya am I becoming my own father?" Because often we are destined to repeat the patterns of our parents, and that brings about a very, very interesting kind of transformation in this character that is his motivation in the second half. What we'll see in Mahika's character is that she's someone who started out with a very clear sense of right and wrong, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है. But through the season, we've seen her stand up for what she believes is right and get pushed back for it. And now she's going to go in a direction where she is going to be faced with a situation where she might potentially lose everything. And she's going to make choices which might surprise us. With Arman, like I keep saying, is my favorite character in some ways because he's really powerful on this chessboard and he can sort of impact every other character's lives. But he is really mercurial. उसका पता नहीं कि आज कौन से मूड में उठा है, आज क्या करने वाला है, and that kind of defines the lives of all the other characters. So what we see is that we've seen how powerful he can be in the first half. He can make or break people's careers. That's why everyone's quoting him. But in this part, he is the one who's being pushed on the back foot, and how he lashes out when he's kind of pushed on the back foot and what he does, that creates a lot of interesting dynamics. And I have to tell you this, that there is something very interesting that happens with Raghu and Mahika's character right at the end of the season, which I don't think anyone will see coming. Which I think will be great fun for us to just see how audiences take that and how audiences respond to that.
Right. But we have a soft corner, Mihir, as Indian cinema lovers for the underdog. है ना? तो वो सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर हमारा मिहिका के साथ है. फिर एक चीज जो हम हमेशा देखते आए हैं वो ये कि सिस्टम में रहकर आप सिस्टम बदलो, लेकिन फिर क्या होता है, आप बदल जाते हो. देयर इज अ पॉइंट ऑल्सो कि जब मीना का कैरेक्टर मिहिका को कहता है कि यूर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम ओनली, you're not different. अभी मैं एज एन ऑडियंस थोड़ा डरी हुई थी कि यार जिस अंडरडॉग पे मैंने अपने पैसे लगाए कहीं ये ऐसा पासा ना पलटे. सो that's I think a very intriguing thing जो as creators and as director आप लोग लेके चल रहे हो.
Yeah, that was Sumit's idea that once an outsider comes inside and they have to start behaving like the insider, the choices they make is going to define them. और सबसे मजेदार बात ये, we wanted the audience to root for her in a way कि Mahika, please don't do this. And a lot of that is going to happen in episode 5, 6, and 7, where she will on her own try to make certain decisions, and the audience will be like, don't become Raghu. So that is always a threat with Mahika, and that role reversal is very exciting. And there's also plot twists and turns with every character here. So you at one point you might think that there is an alliance happening here, but it could not. So that's worth checking out for. Also, a little note for the viewers: there's a post-credit scene, so please wait for the logo to. Once the logo goes away, then there's a scene after that. So please enjoy that.
In the last episode,
both of you are true movie Indian masala movie lovers. क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो आई रिमेम्बर सुमित ने बोला था व्हेन आई सेड व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट ऑडियंस के लिए क्या बोलोगे, आपने बोला अरे वी विल कीप यू गेसिंग, साथ साथ में आप गेस करोगे. अभी यहाँ मतलब पोस्ट क्रेडिट पे कुछ डाल दिया कि मतलब वहां पे भी मत छोड़ो, वो भी देखो.
जैसे ही शो टाइम का लोगो जाएगा तो असली शो टाइम फिर शुरू होगा.
Our intention is to give you as much as we can. I think I've said this in some other interviews. We had so many stories and so much to say about Bollywood that left to our own devices, we could have written like 3-4 seasons of this show. But as it is, हम सिर्फ एक ही season बना रहे थे शुरू में. So we have tried to pack in each moment, in each sequence, in each line. We have to try to pack in as much as we can. So don't miss anything and don't blink is my advice to audiences.
Yeah.
Right. So are we going to see any new characters also, या जो अभी तक हम देख के आए हैं जिनके साथ हम familiar हो गए हैं उनके साथ कहानी आगे बढ़ेगी, या कोई नए characters भी हैं?
I don't think you're seeing new characters, but I think what you are going to see is you're going to see Vijay Raj's character and his son's character suddenly come into the forefront as like major power players. Now, Raghu and Mahika, in a sense, reflect two different kinds of producers in Bollywood, right? Raghu is more masala, more old school. Mahika has new energy and new ideas about what to do with cinema. But the one thing is common between both of them: they both love cinema. Vijay Raj represents something else entirely, a different kind of producer, someone who's become very powerful and very rich, doing some other kind of business, and now wants to come into Bollywood to control, uh, to for control and for power in a sense. Or uska, and he's very powerful in his own way. You will realize he has a lot of political backing also, which also he's kind of using to kind of do the things he does in Bollywood. So he will present a new kind of threat to both Raghu and Mahika, which they do not see coming. And I think people will see a really interesting character who you've never seen before in a Bollywood story, I would say, but who's very true to what is kind of happening in the industry in the last few years. I will be very excited to see how that character goes down and what kind of conversation that generates.
Right. You know, it's very interesting आप ये बोल रहे हो, क्योंकि एक तो ये इंडस्ट्री की भी सच्चाई हो गई, फिर मैं अगर ऑडियंस की तरफ से मिहिर बात करूं, सो ऑडियंस भी ये तीन स्पीयर्स में बटी हुई है. वन इज द ओल्ड स्कूल रघु काइंड ऑफ
Yes.
मूवी जिनको देखना पसंद है. फिर दूसरा वो मिहिका के स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से आते हैं कि यार फिल्म में कहानी होनी चाहिए, इमोशन होना चाहिए. एंड देन दिस थर्ड लॉट जो विजय राज वाला है कि यार we want something new and spicy, ये सब कुछ हो उसमें. So I think ये जो amalgamation is something that's happening in the industry versus what the audience also expect. ये बड़ा interesting है.
हाँ, and that was always fun to do because इसी motive से लोग characters क्या करने वाले, that was very important for us. Eventually, everyone is probably fighting for cinema, but the methods they use is what defines them as people and characters. And this time, in the rest of the episodes, another thing to note is every character has a lot more to do than you expect. Be it Satya, who we probably haven't seen much of, he's going to change he's going to change dynamics for the sort of Mahika and Prithvi and himself. There's Zico, who you don't know, who's always loyal to Raghu, but is that something that can be questioned? Prithvi also, he is very loyal to Mahika. But these are the characters which are in the peripheral, but they really directly affect the story.
Correct,
and I think the character
correct.
we haven't spoken about is actually Yasmin,
I was about to come to that, yes.
Who has the most moving and emotional track in a sense, especially in the second half, you will see. Because in a sense, what we've seen Yasmin in the first half of the show is that she's very close to attaining her dream. She's already a film star now. She wants to do serious roles. She wants to get married to Raghu. But as the show goes along, she realizes all of this might be fake. All of this might not be real in a sense. Right. And she in part two, we see her trying to kind of go back to her roots and reconnect roots in a sense, and face some like tragedy there as well, which brings her character to a kind of very interesting unspooling. I'm trying not to give away too much. I don't want to spoil your fun. But I think we get into like issues of like what happens, how does trolling work in Bollywood? How does what role does social media play in our lives? और मुझे लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया पे ना आपको ज्यादातर बहुत क्यूरेटेड वर्जन ऑफ सुपर स्टार्स मिलता है, बिकॉज वो भी पूरा सच नहीं बोल रहे, तो एक इमेज आपको प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. बट इफ समवन एक्चुअली टेल्स द ट्रूथ ऑन सोशल मीडिया, व्हाट वुड हैपन? वो एक इंटरेस्ट, एंड स्पेशली इफ दे आर एट अ वेरी वल्नरेबल पॉइंट इन देयर लाइफ, that is something we explore through a sequence, which I think will hopefully generate a lot of conversation about what role does social media play in our life, and is all of it healthy, or is some of it actually quite harmful to us and to like the celebrities on social media?
Right. So I know कि आप बड़ा control हो के बातें कर रहे हो कि without giving away much, you still are trying to answer my questions. But you have set the expectation bar high के भी 4 हमने episodes देख लिए हैं, and we are kind of involved with the story, we are involved with the life के भी क्या होगा, power dynamics किसकी कैसे shift होने वाली हैं. So remaining episodes के लिए दोनों के लिए ही question है. Mihir, I'll start with you. As somebody who's been involved in it now, मैं क्या expect करूं?
I expect more than just the glitz and glam. Once again, expect the characters to you see a side to the characters that you haven't seen before. In the sense, we end up judging these characters for how they behave, but you'll see a side to them where you know why they are behaving a certain way. And again, Shriya Saran, she's doing something here which is going to affect everyone's lives. Yasmin's character, like Sumit says, has a complete arc now and the most emotionally strong arc. And most importantly, you all rooted for Mahika. And now, how is she going to be what she is when she finally sits on the chair? You know,
Right.
these are the moments that you will look forward to in Showtime that are fun, but at the same time, there is a dramatic and an emotional hook to the entire story.
ओके, सुमित क्या ऐड करोगे आप?
I would say कि इन द फर्स्ट 4 एपिसोड्स वीव सीन कि कुछ बहुत ड्रामेटिक होता है बॉलीवुड में, जिसकी वजह से इन सब की लाइव्स में भसड़ मच जाती है, ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स जो है. व्हाट वी विल सी इन द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द सीजन इज हाउ ऑल ऑफ दीज कैरेक्टर्स आर लैंडिंग ऑन देयर फीट, क्योंकि these people's lives have been transformed by what has happened in the first part, but now in the second part you will get more of a sense emotionally of who they are and where they kind of end up. I to put it simply, पहला पार्ट तो स्टार्टर था, मेन कोर्स अब आ रहा है
पिक्चर
जिसमें
अभी बाकी है.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, तो वी विल वेट फॉर द रिलीज ऑफ द बाकी का जो पिक्चर है. अभी तो आपने ट्रेलर और टीजर से हमको थोड़ा सा खुश किया है,
हाँ.
स्टार्टर से खुश किया, मेन कोर्स का इंतजार हम बेसब्री से कर रहे हैं. एंड विशिंग यू बोथ ऑल द लक फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ द इंटायर सीरीज एंड ऑल भी जो फ्यूचर में आप काम करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू मी.
Thank you
थैंक यू
so
सो
much.
मच
Thank you.
निधि.